Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make the inverted slider crank like in our assignment. Okay, so we're gonna start by setting up everything. So same way we've been doing it. Option labeling, no new objects, then object type, then on graphics we can get rid of the small grid. First we have to look at where we're gonna start the motion at. So let's make it at point O because we got the degrees. We're given the degrees. Okay, so we know linkage A is 25 inches long. So let's start with that. We're gonna go to circle and center radius. Click on the center. We are shown it to be a value of 25. And we're gonna pick the point where the x-axis and the circle meet, which is right over here. We're gonna make a slider. We're gonna make it an angle and call it crank. Just like that. Then we're gonna do angle with given size, outside, inside, and we're gonna call this crank. Just like that. We can go back to the arrow and we can hide the angle by clicking on it, Control G. Hide this, Control G, and hide this point, Control G. We're gonna pick the point, or we're gonna pick the segment tool and connect these 2 points together. There we go. And now we have A, just like here. Let's go to object properties and let's set it up like we have it in our example right here. So let's set it up to 165. So the minimum is 165. The maximum is 195. So it starts at 165, 195. We can click on here just to make sure. 165, 195. And this, we can label it. Just like that. Next thing we can do is we can click on our line, select the value. We can see it's 25. There we go. Let's start at 165. Now we have to find where point B is. We're gonna start off by going to circle and center radius. Click on center, and we go up the Y, so BY is 15. There we go, just like that. We select the point where these 2 points meet, where the positive y-axis and the circle meet. So let's hide the circle, Control G, because we know we're going up 15 values. After we have this, we are gonna find our BX. Circle and center radius at the point right here. We know BX is 11. There we go. And we know it's on the x-axis, so we're gonna have to do parallel line. Go on the x-axis, click it, drag it to the point. There we go. And where the 2 points meet, where the circle and the line meet. And we're able to hide the other information we don't need. So we're able to hide the circle, Control G, as well as this line right here, Control G. Let me use segment to show you. So we went up 15 and we went left 11 values. We can select to double check. We can select them. Value. Select this point. Value. Just like that. BY or BY 15, BX 11. Okay, now we have this point. Now we know where the S is. So the S is going to be right here. If we wanted to label everything, we can just click on it, options. We know this is S, and we can do caption and value. We can click on this point. We know this is BX, just like that. And caption and value, we know this is BY. You can select it here, caption and value. This is A. caption and value. And we know this is theta. And that's how you get the values. And if you want to do the angle right here, phi, you'd go select your value right here. So now you got your angle. You get your two angles, S, and you can move the crank to adjust it to whatever value you would try to reach. You're given the angles right here, and that's how you build it. Thank you.